Hey family, welcome to Live and Gather. I am Star, and in this video we are filming part 2 of our rooftop patio makeover at Keran and Kayla's house. If you have not seen part 1, I'll leave a link above my head so that you can go check that out. In part 1 we put up a gazebo, which is you can see behind me. We also laid some faux grass down and just prepped the patio for the major pieces. In this video we'll be putting together the patio furniture, the patio sectional that we'll actually keep separate. And then we'll finish off with some styling and I'll show you how everything turned out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel below, give this video a like, tell me what you think in the comment section below. Let's jump into the video. For this project, Kayla decided to build a DIY planter for the patio. If you want to learn more about how she built this planter from scratch, I will leave a link to her video in the description box below, as well as a card in the top corner. Okay, now on to more furniture building. David is putting together the sectional that we got from Need a Home for this patio. We got the 8-piece sectional that comes with 7 seats as well as an outdoor coffee table. The color that we got this in is a grayish beige color, so I guess grayish. We thought that that color was very pretty and very modern for their very modern home. I'm following you, Dave? Mm-hmm. I'm following you, Dave?
Can the camera catch me? Can the camera catch me? Can the camera catch me?
You're on my neck.
Oh, okay. I'm dizzy, guys.
We have to finish this patio. So we decided to add a very large outdoor area rug. It's not as heavy as David is trying to make it, I promise. We decided to go with a gray, really silver patterned rug that we thought was really pretty. It also has some warm white tones that we thought would tie in together both the gray tones and the beige tones in this patio design. We decided to arrange the sectional into 3 love seat areas instead of 1 combined sofa. We added a modern gas fire pit that we got from Ferrisland. This fire pit has a concrete look to it. We thought it was very nice for our 2-person sitting area, especially because it's about to get cool outside and it's just so beautiful. Oh wait. So we are wrapping up our Home Goods trip. But David, I don't know, have you ever been to Home Goods with me?
I have.
Oh, okay. Well, David says he's been to Home Goods with me, but you know, he helped me pick out some finishes for our patio project at the Smith residence. That's exciting. We're not done yet. We still have to make a stop to World Market.
I'm getting dragged to World Market.
He's not getting dragged to World Market.
I mean, I'm driving myself,
He's
but
my
I'm getting
assistant
dragged
today for the World Market trip. We have a photo shoot in the morning and we're finalizing this patio project, so we have to wrap this up.
We have to.
If you remember part 1 of this video, we picked out fabric for custom Live&Gather throw pillow covers for this patio. We'll also be adding these pillow covers to our shop for a limited time only if you would like to shop this look. When it comes to styling throw pillows, it takes me a while to choose the styling and appearing that I like the most. So yeah, it definitely took me a few tries for the pillows to look exactly how I wanted them to. We decided to add a basket light pendant from IKEA to the gazebo for style and for lighting. We attached it using just a rope that we got from the hardware store. We did this because we purchased battery powered light bulbs to go inside of it. That way you don't have to worry about having to run electricity outdoors to the light fixture. And of course, just some final touches. And here is what the patio looked like before. Practically not usable because of the amount of direct sun this patio got on the rooftop. Now, a complete oasis. This was such a fun project. I can't wait to see how Kayla and Keran are able to now enjoy their patio with their family and friends, especially as we head into fall, now that they have 2 fire pits on this beautiful patio. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel for more DIY home decor and home inspiration videos. Give this video a like, and until next time, love Star.